Hello friends, I'm Dr. Dinesh Harkut. We'll take you the short tour which will cover the basics of computer network. In this video series, I will cover all the topics related to computer networks like what is computer network, what is internet, layered protocols, protocols at application layer, transport layer, network layer, link layer, issues related with network securities and various firewall. The internet has become the mission critical for almost all, specifically the large and small companies, universities and the government agencies. Many individuals also relies on the internet for many of their professional, social as well as personal activities. It becomes intrinsic entity in everybody's life, which have facilitated enormously in every walk of life. But behind all this utility and excitement, there is a dark side too, in network security issues, which otherwise may wreak havoc in our daily lives by damaging our internet connected computers, violating our privacy, rendering the inoperable the internet service on which we depend. The field of network security is about how someone with ill intention can attack the computer network. What are the nature and frequency of all those attacks? As a network architecture, how to build foolproof future networks that are immune to such attacks and are capable of defending the attacks in future, which were unfortunately missing in earlier version as it was originally designed target to serve a group of mutually trusted users to share information, which is irrelevant nowadays. We'll see the details of network security later on, but just to have a superficial overview, we will discuss some of the typical threats which are there in practical. Generally, we attach devices to the internet because we want to receive or send data from or to the internet. This includes all kind of good stuffs, including web pages, email messages, MP3 files, telephone calls, live videos, search engine results, and so on. But unfortunately, along with all this good stuff comes a malicious stuff, collectively known as malware, that can enter and infect our system. Once malware infects our device, it can do all kinds of devious things, including deleting our files, installing spywares that collect our private information such as social security numbers, passwords, keystroke logging, etc., which can be used for some unethical purpose. Malware can be of two types, virus and the worm. Viruses are nothing but self-replicating infections by receiving or executing objects such as email attachment. Worms are self-replicating infections by passively receiving objects that get itself executed. Spyware malwares can record keystrokes, website visited, and upload info to the collection sites, which can be further exploited for ill purpose. Infected hosts can be enrolled in botnet used for spam or DDoS attacks, which we will discuss next. Another broad category of security threat is known as denial of service attack, wherein denial of service attack rendered a network or host or other piece of infrastructure unusable by legitimate users. Most of the internet DOS attacks falls in either vulnerable attacks, bandwidth flooding, or connection flooding. Your attacker makes resources, server, or bandwidth unavailable to the legitimate users by generating a false traffic. Here, the infected systems called as botnet breaks into hosts around a network and generate illegal traffic, load the server so that server is unavailable to the legitimate user. Mostly user access the internet via wireless device such as Wi-Fi connected over laptops and cell phone, which invites major security vulnerability by placing a passive receiver in the vicinity of wireless transmitter. This passive receiver obtained a copy of each and every packet that is transmitted, which may contain the vital sensitive information which can be further exploited for illegal activity. Such a passive receiver that records a copy of packets are termed as packet sniffer, which sniffs all the traffic in between the legitimate users. Ability to inject packets into the internet with a false identity is known as IP snooping, which is one of the way in which one user can hide the identity to another user. Here, sender will send packet with false source address. Thank you very much for listening to me till end.